What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. So today, it's gonna be a really fun day. We have rented a private helicopter for the entire day. So we are gonna see some pretty cool things today. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go over downtown Tampa and the intercoastal here in Florida. But I think we're also going to go check on Mr. Cletus McFarland himself at the Freedom Factory and see what they're up to. I haven't actually seen it in person yet, so we're gonna get a good aerial shots of that today. Super excited, so let's hop in the Golf R and head over to Clearwater Air Park, which we are gonna take off at.
A few moments later.
Our rides for this evening. Pretty dang cool. We're taking that one right there. Super pumped. Pretty cool being in a hangar. This one's a tiny one. A little two-seater. This one's kind of sketch. I don't know. A little look how small the seats are. I know, at least it's bigger than this one. Really cool though. Oh yeah.
A lot of my commercial training in this helicopter. Cheap, yes, cheaper than rent these. I did some of my training in that red one.
Nice little cool plane over here.
And then we did.
So this one here basically has a boxer motor in it. Subi love. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Very cool. Subaru gang, where you at? Horizontally opposed 4-cylinder power in this thing. Gosh dang thing broke down!
This is Stephen J's other job.
Oh, we're going for a helicopter ride, man. You just pushing these things.
No, I actually just dropped you out here to work, so.
Billionaire lifestyle. That's the billionaire lifestyle.
That's right.
Get out. We just parked. Going to get some food, just casually in the helicopter. Lock her up. Wow. Quesadilla. We got some biscuits and gravy for Dan and Eds. We're dining. Airport side. And Marshall didn't get anything. No, he did. He got the same thing as me. Pretty good. Breakfast Cuban.
Yeah, this looks awesome.
Looks good. Made it all the way to Venice, Florida. Chilling with the jets on the runway here. Probably gonna head back over Tampa, so the next views you'll see should be of downtown Tampa Bay. Could you please unlock my door, sir?
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you. What service?
Your Majesty.
You're gonna get a big tip.
Big tip.
It's hot in here quick. Oh wow, it does get hot in here. Oh. Alright. Yeah. There's not much to these, huh? Don't say that. There's really nothing to this thing. No, there's really not. A lot of knobs and buttons and gauges. Pretty cool. That 6-cylinder right up. That's right. Oh yeah. So we stopped to get some gas because we were running a little low, but how cool was that? So we did a few circles around the Freedom Factory. Pretty sure Cletus was out there because he was definitely pointing at us. I'm pretty sure that was him, but they were working on the track out there. So nonetheless, that was really cool. Cletus, next time, let us land there, huh? Overall, a beautiful day here in Florida. So if you guys aren't, if you could do me a favor and please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I really appreciate that. And yeah, just enjoying the day out today. Really awesome that we got this helicopter to the day for ourselves. Really sick.
You got to let it go.
my goodness. What a trip and what a day. We definitely had a blast today, and I have one person to thank, and that's this guy right here, Marshall, who set this whole day up for us. We had a blast. I'm sure you guys can agree. So if they want to go on a tour, what do they have to do?
Yep, Summerfield's Marshall. We're Tampa Aviation with the Clearwater Airport at 1000 North Hercules Avenue in Clearwater. That's 33765. So give us a call or stop by and come on a ride with us.
Sweet. So I will put their information in the description below. If you guys are in the area and want to go on a sick helicopter tour, hit him up. So now on the tours, you won't have to push it back, but he's making us work for it today. All right, guys, that is gonna end today's adventures. That was really cool seeing all the sights we saw today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys are new and wouldn't mind subscribing, I'd really appreciate that. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you enjoy these types of videos. And that's gonna wrap it up for now. As usual, we'll see all you guys on the next video. Peace.